and I hope to God this camera is focused. Sometimes my hand locks. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna stop this now. Whose hair is that?
Yes, queen.
It's not like bad. I'm going to be unpicking this beautiful jacket. It's cold and hot. Alright, I wore a light hoodie or sweatshirt. I moved the record a bit so it's not reflecting the lights weirdly. And I hope to God this camera is focused. Okay. Is this recording? Oh my god. Should I check? Such a beautiful jacket. I can't stop admiring it. I have a pocket here. You can see it. So nice. Look, it has like folds in it. I'll definitely make a tutorial on it. So beautiful. Yay. But I think I might modify it a bit. I'll tell you later. I also feel like sneezing. Sometimes it's when you unpick these jackets and they are full of, let's say they're full of shit. No, they're not. They are full of dust. And yeah, it can be fun. Also, I don't have my second light on to make the video aesthetically pleasing, because honestly when I shoot here I never have good lighting and it turns out just not good. Okay, let's see, where should we begin? Okay, I'm gonna start with the sleeves. That's usually a good idea. I know I could be cutting out the pieces and not unpicking, but I don't like it. I think it's wasteful, and I just like to really prep the leather for upcycling, you know, to have it really nice and organized. So yeah. Also, some people might think that these headphones are glued to my head. I can't do anything without listening to something. Listen to music right now, but yeah, just watching something or sometimes I don't even listen to anything. I just put them to kind of reduce the noise outside, which makes it easier to focus, kind of. Let me check if this is rolling. It's rolling. I don't film a whole lot right now, I mean vlogs or so in diaries, because it's really difficult to shoot and talk and sew at the same time and be creative with it. So kind of, if I need to sew something and come up with a garment, like it's a lot of energy to focus on the design, like you need to come up with something, and at the same time you're worrying about making a video. I don't want to film every little step I do. I think it's too much. It can be too much and it actually can harm in the long run. So definitely trying to find this balance. Or maybe, you know, I can film just a tiny bit, and then when I come up with a garment and I already have like an established pattern, I know what to do, then I can make a video like making this top, you know, like showing the process. Getting the hang of tutorials. They can be tough too, but getting the hang of it. And tutorials are more technical, you know, mostly. Wow, look at this. I like this. The leather at the bottom is weird. It has some residue, and I'm not sure if it's like dirt or is it mold? It doesn't look like mold. Because definitely not the upper. The upper part is really nice. I really like it. If I look tired, it's because I probably am. I stayed up late until like 3 o'clock or something. I couldn't fall asleep, and then I woke up at 7, maybe 7:15, and from explosions. Was the air defense working? Because Russia was attacking Ukraine and Kyiv with missiles, so I woke up from explosions. Yay! I just run. I didn't hear the air raid siren. So I kind of slept through the air raid siren, and then I woke up when the explosions were already blowing up. So I kind of like woke up, I had no idea what was happening, and then I ran to the bathroom, grabbed my clothes, and then just got dressed really quickly in the bathroom, grabbed my bag, and just went to the shelter. I wish more leather garments would write what type of leather they're using. That is so weird. I don't know why I feel this is some kind of cowhide. I might be wrong. I don't understand. Like, the standards for leather, they're in hell. I feel like the bar is in hell. But like, I really like how this smell. Like, for example, this jacket is written echtes leather, which means real leather, genuine leather, and it writes that the lining is polyester. That's it. Why? What do you mean by genuine leather? What kind of leather is that? Like, that's the bare minimum. I rarely find jackets where it says like pig or Napa. Napa. Is Napa lambskin? I feel like Napa is mostly lambskin, but it can be something else too. I think so. Okay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ow, ow, ow. Do you see that? Oh shit. Sometimes my hand locks. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that means I'm deficient in something. I'm gonna stop this now. I'm thinking, I think maybe making some sewing diary, cozy sewing diary, where I just unpick stuff and discuss things with you. It might be a nice idea for a live stream. I think once we have more people who are interested in sewing, it would be nice to have some kind of live where all of us would be sewing and talking at the same time. Although I don't know how. No, yeah, it can work. It could be like a nice cozy vibe. I think I strive more for this kind of stuff right now. I'm just do you even sew if you don't have like random threads on you during the day? Also, I'm kind of rediscovering Arch Enemy again. It's a metal band, if you don't know. I remember listening to them a bit in the past, but sometimes you go back to some music and you just have a new look at it. Also, it's perfect songs for the gym. So my gym playlist is building up. That's what I wanted to say. Whose hair is that? But it looks like polyester. Is it? Or is it hair? I feel like it's a combination. Yeah, let's not think about it. Just a bit of water and soap. Nothing crazy. Just a tiny bit. Working with leather is just different than working with fabric, and a lot of research goes into learning how to do certain stuff. But it's fun.
Let it dry out completely. Yep.
Whew, come on. I don't know if you see it, it's so beautiful. Wow! It's so interesting how different leathers are. The jacket before I was unpicking, I didn't like it, I didn't finish unpicking it. It was very stretchy both ways. This one, it doesn't stretch like that, but it does stretch widthwise, but minimally.
It's very nice. Just, it's like a patina or something. Wow. Yeah.
Плюс добавка до температури в мене вона є. Один, це правильно. Тобто це ось жіноче. Ось жіноче. А дивіться, в мене було ось це. That's beautiful, but I know right now when it's I should open the window. I should.
Yes, queen.
Don't mind what's happening there. It's part of the process. Overall, how do you like the fit? The fit? I think it's good. I think the fit is good. The only thing that I need to just kind of get used to more is that leather is thick. Like, wow, what a discovery. Thick, and it really takes away quite a lot from the pattern. So like if something in your pattern is 10 centimeters, in the end it's gonna be, I don't know, 9 centimeters. So you have to take that into account when you design. Right. Oop, there. So the initial design, as I said, I'm gonna just show you my initial design. It's in black, which I like it. But I like the red too. So my initial design was that I wanted, oh, you can see it, more like a, I don't want to say cross shape because I'm gonna be burned and put on a pedestal in the center of the village. But what I wanted is to have a center line and darts. I wanted darts specifically. So here, no dart. So I wanted like a whole piece. I wanted a whole piece. And here you can see that I have a line going here. So why did I do that? The reason is, since I am upcycling leather, I don't have a lot of big pieces. Wow, I'm not looking right. I should look there, yeah? Big pieces are like our golden pieces. I like treasure them and use them very strategically. So I thought, okay, if I continue this line, I still like the silhouette, I still like how it looks, but I would be able to utilize the smaller pieces, like this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece. Yeah, so that makes sense. I actually like it. I like how it turned out. Like, I tried it, I like it. What I didn't like, so if you can see, here I have this piece, but here again I didn't have enough leather, so I did this line here, which is, it's not like bad, nobody is really paying attention to it, but since I like paying attention to details, for me this line feels random, you know? It's like an afterthought. That's what I want to avoid with things I do. I don't want to look at it and say, this is random. So maybe I should, when there's a possibility, make it one piece.
Oh, wow, look at this mess. I ordered some of these nickel rings. I hope it's not the worst material. They look actually quite nice and they're heavy. I found out that nickel can be allergenic, so yeah. Anyway, leather pens. So they don't have like a name, anything. I don't think so. Let me check. Yeah, no, they don't have any names. Okay. Every time like I would buy different ones and whatever, and they are different. So this is, I think, the first one I bought, and amazing. Like, it really does disappear. Not like disappear, but if you use water and soap, you can remove it from the leather. This is shit. It sticks to your leather and doesn't go away. You have to be careful if you use such things. I bought this one, which I think it's okay. This is called Therma Blue. But I've been told that Thermo, you can use like hair dryer or maybe iron to remove it. I haven't tested it yet. So this is the black one. It's not my favorite kind of leather, this one, but it's, I think it's perfect for this top. Like it's just, I think this top needs this shininess. I think it works for this. Yeah, I like the black one. I just feel more, it's more comfortable for me. I definitely like color, but very specific, in very specific cases. Although that red one is really nice, but this black is just like, I like it.